female classic 70s, 80s. For you, this song, my love. I always you forever, trying in my heart, my love. When I wake up each morning, trying to find my soul, and if I ever last unsure, I always remind myself through your someone in this world that I always close to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. As for me, it's getting down to the last unspoken part, when you most begin to erase the pain of a broken heart. Tell me why should I even care if I have to lose your love? From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Wish it was enough for you, all the love I had to give. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I tried. I really tried. Oh, you one and only in my heart. I promise to you, you'll look inside my fantasy and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I keep the memory one by one. Sign you took me, and I know I never loved this way again. I know I never loved this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I never loved this way again. Although, hold on. I will give you the best year of my life. You know it's true if I fail you down. God, how I tried. But I've been hearing silly all over town how you've been searching and put me down. Oh, I felt all this time. Can I believe that? 'Cause I'm still in love with you. Oh, Lord, don't let me be the last to know. If that is true, then tell me so. I wanna hear it come for you. Oh Lord, don't let me be the last to find that you are gone. No longer mine. Don't let me be the last to know. Oh, baby, create the data